Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome and I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be installing my braided lace wig. Okay, so with that said, let's go straight into the video. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to apply makeup on the lace. So usually when I'm working with a lace frontal or lace closure, I usually tint the lace by applying foundation on the inside of the lace. Okay, so but for today I'm working with a full lace wig and the lace on the crown is darker than the rest of the lace on the wig. So to clean that up, I'm going in with my brown powder and I'm applying that on the line that I need to clean up. So I'm using a flat concealer brush, a small flat concealer brush. I'm dipping that into my brown powder and I'm applying that on the line on where I need to clean up, which is the brown part of the wig, as you can see right here. So I'm going to be cleaning up this part right here. So I'm start by dipping the brush into the powder. So I go into the line. I'm cleaning up the part, not the hair. I'm not trying to apply the powder on the hair, so I'm just applying it on the line. So and also I'm making sure not to apply excess powder because applying excess powder will make the wig look dusty. We're trying to clean up the line and also create a natural looking scalp, but we don't want it to look dusty. So I'm just taking my time and also focusing on where I need to apply the powder or where I need to clean up in order to create the natural looking scalp. As you can see right here, the wig look clean and neat now. Again, making sure not to use excess powder. If you don't feel comfortable using powder, you can go ahead and use concealer or foundation if you prefer those options. So this is the wig after applying the powder on the brown part of the lace. So as you can see, it looks neat. So if you haven't seen the video on how I make this beautiful braided wig, I'll put the link in the description box down below. So be sure to check the description box down below if you want to see the video on how I make this beautiful braided wig. Okay. So this is the wig right here. So the wig has an adjustable strap on the back. So I've already went ahead and hook that in. So this is the scalp, natural looking scalp on the wig. Okay, so moving on. Yeah, that's the strap right there. All right, so moving on, I'm just gonna go ahead and pop on the wig. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and adjust the back first before focusing on the front part of the wig. All right, so now that that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the front. All right, just tucking that behind my ear and also pushing the baby hair towards the front. So now that I know where the wig is going to be sitting, I'm just going to push it back so that way I can go ahead and spray in what I need to secure the wig down. So to secure the wig down, I'm going in with the GOT2BE spray and I'm going to be spraying that on the area where I need the wig to sit. Also right here, I'm taking my time because I don't want to spray my eyes. So just taking my time, spraying a spot at a time. So once I'm done spraying the GOT2BE spray on where I need the wig to sit, I'm going to take my hand dryer and dry it a little bit. So I'm not going to dry it all the way. I just want it to be a bit tacky, like a bit sticky before going ahead to place the wig on top. So I'm just going in with my fingers to see if it's getting sticky. So yeah, now that it's a bit sticky, I'm going ahead to place the wig on top. So I'm going to be working with one side at a time. So I'm going to start from the middle right here. I'm I'm going to use one of my hand to hold the wig in place and using the second one to move and kind of walk the lace around a little bit to get it to sit on where I want it to sit, and also making sure to hold that spot down. So next I'm going back in with a hand dryer to kind of blow some air on it a little bit. So back again using my fingers to press it down to make sure it's sticking to make sure that the lace is sticking to the spray, and it's working like magic. All right, moving on to the other side, again using one of my hands to hold the wig down while using the second one to adjust the wig. Doing the same thing, pressing it down with my fingers. Again, going back in with a hand dryer, blowing a little bit of air on it. Again, as you can see, using my fingers to press it in place to make sure it's properly secure in place. Okay, so moving on to the next step, I'm going in with my rat tape comb, and I'm going to be using that to press the edge of the lace in place and also blowing the air on that spot. So using my rat tape comb, pressing the edge of the lace in place at the same time blowing the air on it. So for the edge of the lace, you can spray a little bit of the GOT2BE spray on your finger and just tap it on the edge of the lace. Then take your rat tape comb to press it down while blowing the air on it. You don't want to go back in with your fingers because it's going to be sticky. That's why you need to use a rat tape comb to help press it down while blowing the air on it. So now that that is done, I'm going in with my gel, and I'm going to go ahead and lay down the baby hair. Okay, just a quick reminder, if you haven't seen the video on how I make this beautiful braided wig, I'll put the link in the description box down below, so be sure to check the description box down below if you want to see that video, if you want to know how I made this beautiful braided wig. So I'm just going ahead to tie a headscarf around it and just let that sit, let the edges sit and relax while I go and do my makeup. All right, I'm back. Makeup is all done. Now it's time to film the final results. All right, so I'm just going ahead to take off the headscarf, and that's it. So that's pretty much it. All right guys, so this is the final result of the installation video, and I love it. Love the wig, love the hairstyle, love everything about it. I hope you guys do too. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And if you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for popping by today, and thank you all for watching today's video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Enjoy your weekend, guys.